3 times 5 gives us 15. And again, here we have 5 times 3, which again gives us 15. And 15 divided by 15 is equal to just 1. But this answer is not correct. Because according to the order of operation, which is PEMDAS, which I will write here. So according to the rule PEMDAS, P stands for parenthesis, E stands for exponent, M and D stands for multiplication or division, A and S stands for addition or subtraction. According to this rule, the first thing to solve is parentheses, right? The parentheses are the first thing to solve and they are priority number 1. And the second thing to solve is exponent, right? Exponents are priority number 2. Here I will write their priority on top of the expressions. So here the third priority is multiplication or division. And finally, we have to solve addition or subtraction at priority number 4. Here is where most people get wrong though. They think multiplication comes before division, therefore multiplication has higher priority than division. But that is wrong. Multiplication and division both have equal priority, right? They are on the same priority. They are priority number 3. And we are going to solve the problem left to right, right? That is what we are going to do. So if there is a multiplication, addition, and division, we have to do the multiplication, then the division. But if there is a division, addition, or and multiplication, we have to do the division now first, because the division comes first, and when we go left to right without the addition, we are going to do the division and then the multiplication. Not because division has higher priority than multiplication, but because division comes first, and since we are solving the problem left to right, that is what we are going to do. So here our problem, we have 3 times 5 divided by 5 times 3, and we have multiplication, division, and multiplication. So the order is left to right because multiplication and division both have equal priority. So let's solve left to right. So 3 times 5 gives us 15, and 15 divided by 5 times 3 is going to be the next equation, and 15 divided by 5 gives us 3, and 3 times 3 is equal to 9, right? So the final answer to this question is 9.